Fluffy Keto Coconut Flour Pancakes Recipe, 2-minute prep. Craving fluffy, golden pancakes for breakfast but stuck in keto paradise? Worry not, fellow low-carbers. This simple recipe lets you indulge in guilt-free, cloud-like coconut flour pancakes that are ready in under 10 minutes, thanks to a clever 2-minute batter trick. This recipe whips up 8 delectable pancakes, perfect for 2 hungry folks or 1 very enthusiastic breakfast champion. Ingredients: 1/4 cup, 30 grams, finely ground coconut flour. 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, powdered sweetener, monk fruit, erythritol, or stevia. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of salt. 3 large eggs. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, melted butter or coconut oil. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Optional toppings: keto-friendly syrups, sugar-free maple, berries, chocolate whipped cream, sugar-free or homemade fresh berries. Chopped nuts. Keto granola. Instructions: 1. Whip up the magical batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: coconut flour, sweetener, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, almond milk, melted butter/oil, and vanilla extract, if using. 2. The 2-minute secret: pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Let the batter sit for 2 minutes. This allows the coconut flour to absorb the moisture, resulting in fluffier pancakes. 3. Time to sizzle: heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Brush lightly with oil/butter. Pour batter into 2 to 3 inch rounds, about 2 tablespoons per pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbles form on the surface. 4. Stack 'em high, top with glee. Plate your fluffy pancakes and garnish with your favorite keto-friendly toppings. We recommend sugar-free syrup, whipped cream, berries, or chopped nuts for a decadent breakfast fiesta. Tips and tricks: for extra fluff, separate the eggs. Beat the whites until stiff peaks form, then gently fold them into the batter before resting. No almond/coconut milk? Use water or heavy cream, adjusting the amount for desired consistency. Storage: leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Flavor variations: add 1/4 of a teaspoon cinnamon or pumpkin spice to the batter for a seasonal twist. You can also use different extracts like almond or rum. So ditch the carb-loaded breakfast blues and whip up these heavenly keto coconut flour pancakes. With their easy prep, fluffy texture, and endless topping possibilities, you'll be conquering breakfast cravings in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious keto recipe adventures.